This is the simplest and fastest way to kill your belly fat. It's the one tactic and strategy I've used with the thousands of clients I've worked with, including myself, to be able to lose my belly fat effortlessly. I am talking about the busiest people to people who have never been able to lose fat until they implemented this one strategy. Look at my client Malik as a pilot. He went from dad bod to looking like an elite athlete. Look at my client Don. Look at my client Harry, who dropped over 100 pounds. Even the ladies using this simple and easy strategy dropped 40 to 50 pounds. Every single client that you're seeing on my screen right now implemented this. And the problem is that some people may have heard this information, but it comes to the implementation, the strategies of how to use it intelligently so it works specifically for your body. That strategy is called intermittent fasting. I'm going to explain the science behind it, how it reprograms your cells at the molecular level. And when you finally understand this, you'll be able to implement it yourself and shred your belly fat so easily. And you may be asking, why even listen to me? My name is Dr. Michael Diamonds. I'm a medical doctor. I am also a scientist. I majored in biochemistry and microbiology, so I understand what's happening at a molecular level. I am also a pro natural bodybuilder. All the advice I'm about to share, I have used on myself. But let's not waste any time and dive straight in. This is the truth. Now, let's talk about why some people transform their bodies effortlessly through fasting and many hit plateaus in their initial results. So the mitochondrial reprogramming system. There's new research from Harvard, UCLA, and USC, and it reveals that fasting triggers 3 critical mitochondrial processes that most people never tap into. So number 1, it's called mitochondrial biogenesis. It forces your body to create entirely new mitochondria. So here's what happens. When you're fasting, let's say you get to that 12 to 16 hour fast without food, your body starts to notice, we're running out of the sugar source that we usually get. So instead of panicking, your body actually gets smarter. It flips on a special switch called AMPK. It's basically your energy manager, which signals to your body it's time to become more efficient. That's when your cells start creating new mitochondria inside of your cells that turn food into energy. These new mitochondria are even better at fat burning, and they release less waste, which means more energy for you and also fewer signs of aging. This way, you're literally teaching your body how to make cleaner, stronger energy by not eating for a while. And this is exactly why you hear people say all the time that they feel so much more energetic when they're not eating all the time. And we'll talk about the effects on the brain in a little bit. The second part is called mitophagy, cellular cleanup. Now, when you fast a bit longer, let's say 16 hours to 24 hours, your body has time to take stock of what's working and what's not. Research published in PMC shows that when fasting is activated, a process called mitophagy happens, which means it goes in and finds old, damaged, or sluggish mitochondria, breaks them down. These are the ones that don't burn energy well, and they're actually making your body feel tired and inflamed. It's like taking out your worst employees and replacing them with peak performers. Part 3 is enhanced mitochondrial respiration. A 2023 Science signaling study found that fasting activates a protein called mTORC2. The longer you fast regularly, the more your mitochondria adapt. They stop relying so much on sugar for fuel and start getting better at burning fat. Behind the scenes, this protein is called mTORC2, which helps split big, clunky mitochondria into smaller, sleeker ones. The split is called mitochondrial fission, and it makes everything run smoother. These new split mitochondria is like switching from a diesel truck to a Tesla. They use fuel better, they last longer, and they release less waste, and they also have a clearer head. All of these functions are what's happening inside of your cell's powerhouse. Now, let's take a look at some of the latest scientific protocols around fasting to maximize these benefits, like the age reversal, the fat loss, and that brain function. So protocol number 1, it's the biological age reversal protocol. So this was a USC 2024 study published in Nature Communications, and it revealed something extraordinary. Fasting mimicking diets can reduce your biological age by 2.5 years through targeted mitochondrial pathway activation. Specifically, SIRT1 proteins that control how your cells age. Here's how it works. You spend 5 days eating 800 to 1,100 calories per day, and you do this 3 to 4 times per year. This isn't calorie restriction. The specific macronutrient ratios will trigger mitochondrial reprogramming, the reversal aging markers. The participants in the study didn't just lose weight, their cells became functionally younger. So blood tests even showed improved glucose tolerance, reduced inflammation markers, and better stem cell activity. Before I go into protocol number 2, let me know, guys, do you guys think it's a good idea to do a 800 to a 1100 calorie a few times per year? I'm curious to know, do you guys think that's way too excessive, or actually many people would benefit from eating that amount of calories for just 3 to 4 days? I'm curious to hear what you guys think. Protocol number 2, the adaptive TRE revolution. Top researchers like Dr. Sachin Panda now supports a more smarter, flexible approach to fasting called adaptive time-restrictive eating. So instead of sticking to the rigid schedules like only eating between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. This approach helps you adjust your eating window based on your lifestyle and how your body responds. So you pay attention to things like how well you slept, how your blood sugar reacts to different meals, when your body starts making ketones, this is a sign of fat burning, and how your energy and your mood feels throughout the day. So for example, let's say you're a night shift worker who sleeps during the day. It may make more sense to break your fast at 5 p.m. and eat until midnight, because when you're awake, active and alert. Or let's say you're a single mom working a 9 to 5, you might do the best eating between 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. when your stress levels dip and you finally get some peace of mind to sit and eat mindfully. This makes fasting easier for people who have difficult schedules while helping them reap similar benefits. Hey, before I move into protocol 3, if you're enjoying this video with different research that I've never put out before, leave the video with a gentle thumbs up. Let's continue. Protocol number 3, the neuroprotection breakthrough. Sachin Panda's latest research at Salk Institute shows that short eating windows combined with strategic meals for breaking food fast increases brain function up to 50%. This protocol suggests an eating window within a short 4 to 6 hour window each day. So you're fasting for most of the day. And when you do eat, you focus on a high protein intake, 1 to 1.3 grams of protein per pound of body weight, moderate to healthy fats, let's say around 50 grams, and all of the remaining calories with quality carbs. This keeps your body burning fat efficiently while giving your muscles what they need to grow and your brain the fuel it needs to function its best. This balanced eating approach protects your brain while helping you build muscle and lose fat at the same time. Protocol number 4, the strategic refeeding protocol. The biggest mistake people make is randomly breaking their fast with any meal. New research shows that the first meal after fasting determines whether you maximize or you waste the mitochondrial benefits. Here's the best way to break your fast if you want to keep the benefits going. In the first hour, start with light foods that hydrate you and also don't spike your blood sugar. Cucumber, celery, and bone broth, for example. These will help your body ease out of fasting gently. The second hour, add healthy fats like avo, olive oil, some nuts, just a little bit. These will help your body stay in a fat burning mode and supports your cell's energy systems. The third hour, then bring in high quality protein, salmon, grass-fed beef, organic eggs. This will help your body repair and build new cells. This gives your body what it needs at the right time, so you keep your body burning fat to protect the cells and also avoids messing up the progress that you've made while fasting. Personally, I have done protocols 2, 3, and 4. I'll have to give protocol number 1 a take, but fasting by far is something I've done over the last decade, as much as 24-hour to 36-hour fasts, and my clients has even gone up to 72 hours, and every single one of them has seen the benefits. As human beings, we weren't designed to be eating all the time. Giving your body the ability to rest and digest, also allowing the body in the internals to really have time to recover, is extremely beneficial. I've never heard someone say that they had any downsides from not eating. And if you think back to prehistoric times, we actually had to go out and hunt for our food, and that may take 1 to 2 days. And fasting has existed even in religion for hundreds of years. So fasting in 2025 isn't just about willpower or rigid schedules, it's about strategic mitochondrial optimization and evidence-based protocols tailored to your biology. The people who are getting transformational results aren't just eating less, they're systemically upgrading their cellular energy systems through targeted fasting protocols backed by cutting-edge research. research. Traditional 16-8 works, but now we know why, and now we even know how to make it better through mitochondrial focused optimization. This is the evolution of fasting from the simple weight loss protocol to precision longevity interventions. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you guys want more of this in-depth research on fasting. Leave the video a gentle thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and this video here is amazing in terms of how to build the diet specifically, which training program to follow. I'll see you guys in the next one.